Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome back to another video. Today I am filming a hair video and I'm going to film me getting my hair this pink. It was already a little bit pink before, but like not like this, so you will see in the beginning of the clip where I start to do it. But yeah, I've used this. Now I do not even know what this is. It's CAMELEO something. It's not in English. I found this on Amazon. Let me see if I can get it to focus for y'all. Yeah, there we go. And you can see how much I've used as well. And I've done this twice now. The first time I did it, I didn't use a lot at all, and it was a much more pastel-y pink. And then this time I was like, oh, I'll go a little bit of more of a brighter pink. But you can still see how much is left. Like, I've hardly used any. All that you need to do, or all that I have done with this, is mix it in with some conditioner, mix it into like the shade that I wanted, and then put it on my hair. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the application and whatnot, and then I will come back and tell you my views.
So I just want to show you like what it's like, but it's literally just like it's literally like food coloring. It's like completely liquid, and I've hardly used any of it. Like, there's loads left. Oh crap, I've just got some on my hand and that's like totally gonna die. Shit. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick idea of what the actual liquid is like. As you can see, there is still a little bit of pink in it. My roots are really dark and a bit yellowy here. But yeah,
Literally, she just likes to bark when I'm filming. It's literally like a thing. Jasmine, stop now. So this is what it looks like. I've gone for like quite a bright pink. It's not going to be like super bright. Well, I don't know. I actually don't know. You don't need to use a lot of the liquid at all. So I'm just going to start applying it. My hair's dried a little bit, which is not ideal. I can't actually see either, which again is not ideal. I should probably have got a mirror. In fact, yeah, I'm gonna go get a mirror, or maybe it's gonna go bright pink. Oh. So yes, I'm not gonna like chat too much through it. I'm just gonna put it on and probably just fast forward this bit just so you guys can see it going on, and then yeah, we'll see how we get on. So all I will say with this stuff is when it's in the bottle and it's like not diluted, it's super strong. I'm probably going to get it all over my arms because my hair is so long. It will dye stuff, like full on dye stuff. I'm hoping it's strong enough to take slightly on my roots, just to blend my roots in with the rest of my hair, so I don't have like totally like horrible dark roots, but it's unlikely that that will happen. Right, okay, I feel like you guys have seen this kind of thing so many times, so I'm not going to bore you with the whole rest of it. I just wanted to show you like a little bit of it so you can see like the difference when it's on. I cannot say whether or not it's going to be this colour when I wash it out, but we will find out. I'm very excited. Okay guys, so my hair is covered. I ran out like I did the bottom half, the top half, the bottom half, and then ran out, so I had to make some more up to make this top half. So I'm just hoping that I got it the same. Obviously it's not like I'm mixing different shades together, different tones together, so you can't go too wrong other than one being a bit lighter than the other. But I mean, it looks the same to me. So wow, how pink is my hair right now. If my hair turns out this colour after it's been rinsed out, I'm gonna be so excited. So I mean, like, you can see how pale blonde hers, how pale pink hers is on there. And the final shade depends on how much I added. Yeah, so it doesn't say like don't leave it on for too long or anything. Last time I did it, I think, if I'm remembering correctly, I did already have some pink in my hair because I'd use a permanent pink hair dye. And I washed my hair, then I mixed it up while I was in the shower and just slopped it all over my hair. Like this time, because I've gone so much brighter, I had to literally do it as if I was dyeing my hair. And I think I probably only left it on for like 5 or 10 minutes last time, and then just rinsed it off because I was like, it was part of my shower. So this time I am going to leave it a bit longer. I'm not expecting it to be super pink when it washes out, but I genuinely don't know what's going to happen. So it's exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on, then wash it out, and then like style it and whatnot, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see, obviously it's not done anything on my dark roots, which is expected. But this part of my hair here was darker, and it's still gone really pink. Like from like my dark roots, it all kind of blends in. And it's gone like really pink. You probably could get it even brighter if you put more in. I really did not use a lot. Like, you can still see how much is left in it. Like, what the heck? It's literally up to there. So I did not use a lot at all. I am going to say that I do recommend this product, definitely. I think it was really good, and I love my new pink hair. I think it is pretty and pink and like kind of candy floss vibes. So yes, this makeup look I have filmed. I did a live video that will have been already up way before this one, but if you're interested, then everything that I'm wearing is in that video, so just check back. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know if you've used this product. I think it comes in a grey / silver as well, which would be very interesting to try out. Like I said, you can get it as to more of a pastel colour, which is like the colour that she has hers. But this time I was just feeling more of a bright pink, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I love you so much. Give me some likes, give me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.